Welcome to Dr. Leah's garden. A few days ago, we went on a nature walk and found this ladybug hiding under one of the elephant ear leaves on my elephant ear colocasia plant, which was only about a foot tall when I got it last year from H-E-B, and now she is thriving. Look at the size of that leaf. So gorgeous. This is a little volunteer daisy and some scabiosa. I underplant my roses with mint and scabiosa. Speaking of, there's one of my beautiful Belinda's Dream roses. She has been blooming for me for about 6 months now, and more and more and more. This is her. She smells delicious, blooms profusely. This plant is only about 1.5 years old. I have a 2-year-old, same kind of rose bush, a little bit west of here, and they are both, hundreds and hundreds of blooms. Amazing. Belinda's Dream rose bush. This is a Da Vinci rose from Heirloom Roses. She's beautiful. She's young now. I just put her in last year. This is the Memorial Day rose, I believe. Look how beautiful that is, sort of a purpley pink. My Turk's cap and my Texas Star hibiscus, which are so beautiful. Hummingbirds love these.